and ain't nothing touching. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Tonight we're gonna be working on the LEDs for the rims. I'm gonna show y'all this kit so y'all can check it out, see if y'all like it, and we'll go from there. The CV boots was an epic fail. They did not work. But anyway, so let's go ahead and check out the light rings. Hold on, let me get this down here. It's scratching up the car. These are them big boys. Big boys. You got your remote. Got your hardware. That's why I ain't put the wheels on yet, because I already know we're gonna have to be doing some dang drilling or something. Dang, these are big. I should have got the 15s. It's alright though. So they have 15.5 and then they have 17. Which is all good. I mean, y'all see that? It's gonna sit like that right there. Ain't gonna be bad. It's gonna be like that. But I wanted to make sure I was gonna clear everything. So anyways, I'm gonna look at the hardware, look at the instructions. I ain't gonna bore y'all with that. And see how to mount these things up. See y'all in a minute. So guys, I read the instructions on the rim lights. And oh my goodness, they talking about you need to take the caliper, the rotor, and everything off. Y'all already know I just barely did this. I got everything Loctited. I got everything hooked up. So guess what? I ain't taking it off. So we're gonna run some self tappers or something, pull them out, and then put some bolts in it. I don't know yet. But I'm not taking all this stuff apart because I gotta hurry up and get these wheels on here and then finish up the rest of the stuff I gotta finish up. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I don't even know if I showed y'all yet. Yeah, the whole house looked like a shop. But yes sir, I gotta get these wheels up under there. We had to replace one tire. I got them wrapped up. Everything's looking good. And you think I'm finna take calibers and all that stuff back off? No sir, not doing it. And we gotta get the house cleaned up. So I'ma show y'all whatever I do. But I'm not taking all this stuff back off, guys. Alright, we're making a little progress now, guys. So got that one on there. Did not have to remove the brake caliper or the rotor. And I sanded down the self tappers before y'all get in the comments. So they're not gonna touch anything. Everything's clear. Everything is clearing. I will show y'all the back, but I ain't got the big light plugged up. But anyways, so I'm gonna do just this, the front driver and the rear driver, and go ahead and get the wheels put on. And oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all, I'm gonna just leave the wires hanging right there. I just gotta get these things on here so I can get the wheels on this thing, and then I'll run everything through the firewall and we'll have it hooked up. Oh yeah, by the way, they say you can't hook this up straight to the battery, so you're gonna have to go to your fuse box or something. Anyways, we'll get this rim on. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. Alright guys, we got the rim on there. It's looking good, guys. Let me get on this side. I got too many tools in the way. And look at that. Got the light back there. Everything looking good. And ain't nothing touching. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's gonna look good, guys. Drop down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. And then them lights gonna have it looking real good. All right, let me get all the other ones on there. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it today or not, but all the other rims on, and we'll go from there. And I'll get the lights hooked up, and then I'll give y'all guys a little preview. You know? Yeah, y'all know. All right, we'll see y'all. You ready?
Yeah.
Come look. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, on.
Oh.
It clean?
Yeah.
Look, watch this.
Cool.
There you go.
Oh. Wait. Floaters? You made them to floaters?
Floaters? No.
Oh. You could just spin it?
Yeah.
Cause it's not on all the way or something?
You like it?
Yeah.
What you think?
Whoa. Cool.
Came out looking awesome. I freaking love it, man. It is crazy. You got so many different type of modes, and I just been in here playing with it, and then I start thinking about it. I'm like, dang, I ain't finished the video. Man, looks good, looks awesome. Can't wait to show y'all the whole truck out the garage. Finally, I gotta clean this engine bay up too, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But anyway, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.